Right, new light fittings for the workshop. Got this big 8-foot fluorescent. When you switch it on in this cold weather, it takes about 3 hours to go to bright like it is now. So I don't want to be messing about like that. So I went out. I bought a couple of these. They're little LED strip lights. I've seen a few people using these in their big workshops, and they seem quite effective for what it is. It's just very cheap plastic. I bought these in Lidl's. I think they cost me about £5, something like that, but they are quite effective. And what I want to do is, the big light goes this way up the middle of the workshop, but there's struts either side where I want to fix a light so that wherever I'm working, if I'm working over the drill, I can put it there and it'll be nice and bright. So because I got a rail here, like a RSJ for the roof, and there's the same RSJ on the back wall, I thought if I get a bit of wood like so, attach the light to the wood, then I can put it between the two girders and move it wherever I want in the workshop. That way I don't need multiple lights to make sure everything is bright, because I don't need over there bright if I'm working over here. Same, I don't need over here bright if I'm working over there. So one of these on a wood that can slide anywhere within that 13 feet range would be perfect. So this on a piece of wood like that, sitting up there, will give me all the light I need. And as if by magic, there we go. Look at that. Look at that.